So hello everyone, in this video we'll be fixing that error which we did in the last video. So basically I just grabbed this attribute from global function to a normal local function, because earlier we were grabbing this get attribute only one time initially. So it was the initial type, so it was not changing back to this type text, so it was always be password. So that's why I grabbed this two line, the input and the type, again inside this toggle password method. So whenever I click on this button, it will again fetch the updated input type and give me the type which is updated, not the previous one which was at the first time. So earlier it was giving me the type which was at the first time. That's why we were not getting the desired result. Now if I do this, so now it will work. If I write something, if I toggle between the password, now you can see password is the type. Now if I change back, so it is now the text type. So this way you can update or get make use of this get attribute method. So this was it that I wanted to tell you. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next one.